Hey guys, Brian with BeastRide. I'm going to show you 5 ways to unstick a zipper. So a lot of times when you have a new clothing item, the zipper kind of sticks, or sometimes just over time, the zipper can get stuck. Obviously, the first thing you want to check, look underneath, make sure there's no cloth part of the zipper that's stuck inside. Other than that, you want to go ahead and try a few different items. The first one is a pencil. I don't know if you've ever heard of this. Say the zipper's stuck right here. You can come up close, go back and forth with the graphite pencil here, and this acts as a lubricant actually on the actual zipper. You can kind of do this around the site where it's stuck, and you would do this on the track above it as well. Say that doesn't work. Another thing you can use is a bar of soap. You can kind of just along the track here, just kind of rub it along the track above and below the stuck zipper. And that kind of lubricates the zipper track as well. Another thing you can do, this would have been my go-to, WD-40. Just kind of inside here, you can spray this, or if it's sticking in a certain area here, you can go ahead and just spray a little bit and kind of wipe it along the track above and below. If it's sticking all up and down the track, I would just actually spray a little bit here on my paper towel and just wipe it up and down the whole track like that. Another thing you can use is olive oil. Put a little dab of olive oil on paper towel. You've got on the paper towel here, and of course, you probably know what we're gonna do, the same kind of deal. Rub it up and down the track. And again, this is for, a lot of times it'll stick if it's a newer garment. You can do this, and you'll probably be good to go with one of these methods. You wouldn't have to use probably more than one, I would assume. If it's doing this and it's an older garment, you could do the same thing, but it may be an actual issue with the zipper, but you can just use some pliers, press down on either one side of the zipper, and that you can do that too if it's separating. If you're pulling it up and it's separating, you can do that method.